when that little demon pops up on your shoulder that's like, here's an opportunity for you to go like, me too, or I did that too, or name drop or something like that. Just kind of knock it off.
Right.
And be locked into the person that you're talking to.
Yes.
That's a skill set. And again, not to bring this back to business, but that's something we teach at Easton University is like, if you can keep the conversation 80% on the other person, like they're going to love you. They're going to do business with you. But if you, unfortunately, like most sales coaches out there, everything's the exact opposite. It's like, tell them how you can help them. Tell them how you can do this. Tell them how you're the
benefits.
Yeah.
Let me show you what my product can do.
Yeah.
And it's like, I didn't ask for that.
Right.
You know, I just want to know if it will do this one thing. And that's.
And a really confident person would not even tell you if it can do that thing. They would ask you just out of curiosity, why do you want it to do that? Right. And allow you to talk. Right. When you say you want it to do that, can you give me a specific example? Like these are like life is sales. Sales is life. Like it's just good, solid communication. A really confident person is not going to race to be like, I can do that. I'm the best at that. I have the answers with that. They're going to be chill and they're going to, flow naturally how the universe flows.
Right.